If you're looking at this video, you probably are looking for ideas on how to enhance your walls or create an accent wall in your home. Well, I'm here to share 5 ways with you, and these are projects you can do on your own. If that sounds good to you, let's start with the first way. Stenciling can really change the look of plain walls in a matter of an hour. Here's a technique where I use the same color but 2 different finishes. I painted the wall first with a semi-gloss and used a stencil template to paint on the design in a flat finish. There are so many stencil templates available for purchase. You could paint with one color or you could use several colors to create the look that you desire. The next way is with wallpaper. This particular one already comes with adhesive on the back. The wallpaper comes on a roll, and what you do is peel the paper back and adhere it to the wall. You roll it out and make sure the paper lays flat. The end result is amazing. The third way is using 3D panels. These panels are perfect for an accent wall. Simply allow the panels to adapt to the temperature in your home for a couple of days. Then apply adhesive on the back, or you could use command strips and place it on the wall. You could even take it up another level by pointing a light on it. The next way is a board and batten wall. This is where you attach boards and molding to the wall to create a design. There are so many designs out there, but this particular one that I'm doing is a grid wall. The hardest part about this project is knowing exactly how far apart each piece of wood should be. Once you know that, you're ready to make your cuts and adhere it to the wall. This is a great weekend project to tackle. The last way is adding picture ledges to your wall. This works really well when you have a short wall. You can paint the wall first, or you could just start attaching 4 to 5 picture ledges on the wall. For decoration, you could add greenery, paintings, prints, special sayings, photos, decorative objects, books, and so much more. Okay, so now you know at least 5 ways you could enhance your walls. Which one would you most likely do in your home? Just drop the answer in the comment section below. And if you would like to see a full tutorial on each of these ideas, click the links in the description box below. Thanks guys for watching. Have a great week.